any talking. There's a bumblebee bee in here somewhere. Need to go and open the other doors really, it should be too dark in there. And that'd be alright, I think. Yeah. We're going to put some French windows in here, or patio doors, whatever. So this will then become a boot room in there. Build a wall up here. Stairs going up there into bedroom. This is going to be the main house eventually, after a few years. That wall's coming out there, make it into a big kitchen diner. And then this wall's coming out here, and this wall here, to make this into a big living room, keeping the original door, nothing wrong with it. And we will be going back to the original brick, getting rid of all this plaster. Bloody horrible. This is going to be part of the living room. Will all be fetched back to original brick. We're going to knock that fireplace out back to where it should be originally and get rid of them horrible, whatever they call them. So you can just See the nice brick. Beams look all okay. Floorboards are gone, but we'll replace all them. And evict all the spiders. New windows. Again, this wall will be going because it's only plywood. It's not very secure. Big old solid beams. These stairs will be going because we're going to put other ones in the other side, as you can see. They're a little bit rotten. That's probably because there's a chimney there that goes to nothing. Don't really know what that was for. Yeah, I'll be alright. This room is in, again, poor condition. Needs a bit of work doing on the roof. But it'll all come in time. Might be able to save some of the floorboards. There's going to be a door put in there that goes into the barn. Again, wood's good. But it does need the tiles sorting. I think we put the washing up here. Yep. Secret cupboard. Spider cupboard. Too dark. And this is the old cottage done. You see some nice thick walls. I don't think it's going anywhere. So, door banging. Can't really do much until we get over here in the summer and get everything sorted. So we're just trying to tidy up, make secure. We're going to put a window in there because that'll be our bedroom. That'll stop as a shed. New window, new window. Another shed. As I showed you around the other day. That's it. This is what I've been doing today, just tidying up in here as best I can, just trying to make it so we can, I'll put the light on so it's better. Oh. When we come back in June, we'll try and make this as a little bit of a kitchen so we can just do a little bit more. Again, this will be made into a bathroom and utility room. This is a dumping ground at the minute. Getting all the old plaster out and the houses and everything, all the old plasterboard. This is part of what we've tidied up already round here. Found the septic tank. How we finished the, well, not finished, but cleared all the dead wood off and rot. Don't know what we're going to do with that, to be honest. That's where the septic tank is. Whether we'll have a new one fitted, but whether it'll go there or not, I don't know. Gotta wait till June for that. Back door on the little cottage. You can see roof's all good on that, so that's the one we're going to do up and live in first and then move on to the bigger one when we're here.